this is Nazande Günday from MyBiotech. I'm the General Manager of MyBiotech and the Scientific Coordinator of the PHOENIX-OITB project. Very recently, I also took over the General Manager role of the very newly established PHOENIX single entry point to this OITB. MyBiotech is actually mainly focusing on the formulation development and anything all around CMC, chemistry, manufacturing and control of those nanopharmaceuticals. Our core competence is mainly the innovative drug delivery products and advanced drug delivery products, which includes the nanopharmaceuticals. And our services within PHOENIX project is mainly focusing on process optimization, scale up, tech transfer towards GMP manufacturing for clinical testing, but also anything and everything that one could think all around those services overall. The idea that we want to do is with MyBiotech's GMP manufacturing that we establish the manufacturing protocols early enough so that they can be very easily and seamlessly transferred toward the clinical scales. We have a very structured methodology behind this transfer from lab to GMP manufacturing, and the idea is to be time and resource efficient and deliver the right quality and regulatory requirements at this moment of the development. So we start with a feasibility assessment, risk assessment of the current lab scale processes, and we do understand what are the gaps between the R&D and the GMP compliance. This is followed up with a process optimization, for example, using quality by design approaches so that we can take these processes as quick as possible without changing any critical quality attributes to larger or industrially applicable scales. And our main role, of course, ends when we have the manufacturing protocols for the GMP compliant production batches for the clinical trials. Yeah, we actually took over the role for process optimization and understanding what those processes and formulations needs to be transferred from the R&D level to the GMP level. We have been involved with almost all of the demo cases and 2 pro bono cases that was offered by the PHOENIX project, and our role focused on advancing those formulations towards GMP, including scale-up and GMP-like batch productions of those for preclinical testing. What they get from the single entry point is a streamlined coordination of all the services, and this is reducing the administrative burden on them when they are coordinating such projects. Once they come to a single entry point, they get the customized and modular contracting of those services, which helps them to quickly move in their developmental stage, independent of in which level they find themselves.